Wow.
So this vehicle is called the Rock Ness Monster. As in the Loch Ness Monster, in case some of you don't understand. And the nickname is Nessie, as in the monster. It's Scottish, it's in my heart, it's very cool, so thank you so much. It looks so cool. Oh my gosh. I'm just excited, I'm so excited. That's so super.
It came out very, very good.
Thank you, Rudy.
Yes. You think it did.
You think it did?
Always your worst critic.
Yep. And that's okay. Sometimes.
As long as you know your worst critic, I think you're doing pretty well.
I think it'll be alright. It'll be just fine.
It's perfect.
Yeah. Wow.
All right, it is the next day. You guys now know that the Jeep is called the Rock Ness Monster, aka Nessie. And whilst I've been running around this morning shipping things to you guys, because you guys are awesome supporting me, these guys have been doing some work today. So we have the core support.
It's core sport.
The core support. This wasn't in last night. Look at this. Abe decided that he didn't like the fenders at all and would cut giant holes.
We needed room. That's all
We
we needed.
needed
I made room.
You
They
made
said we
room.
need room. We made room.
So there's a lot going on because Chris is leaving tomorrow. Chris is, well, his last day is tomorrow, but really he's got a lot of filming to do for SpeedTube TV. Make sure that you subscribe. And Abe is here for a while. A couple more days than the other guys, so we don't need to say bye to Abe yet. So we've been just trying to get everything kind of put together so that we're able to actually put the wheels and tires on here, and we're able to roll this out at the beginning of the week into a different spot that obviously you will see pretty soon. But we're kind of jumping around the whole vehicle at the moment because that's just the way today is going. But it's okay. We're going to keep up with everyone and we're going to get this done. I do believe there is a list somewhere. Let me find it. Here's the list. Okay. Oh, we gotta be able to see it though. Oh, the light. Oh, okay. Set ride height. Weld frame. Okay, we've already done that one. Tubes through firewall. Rear lower cross member. Oh gosh. New front lower shock mindset. Hold on. I really being realistic here. Don't think we're going to get all of that done. But we are certainly going to try and make our way through here since we have the hands and the brains and the people. So let's see what we can do. How are we feeling?
That's crazy.
Speechless?
Don't tell anybody.
Pretty good.
I make them guess what the up travel is.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, what the belly height is. What the belly height is.
What do you think the belly height is? The belly height being obviously the belly to the floor. By the way, this seems to be like an inch higher than it came stock. Just saying. Feels very stock.
With 37.
With over 60% of the original travel in up travel alone.
Yeah.
Still plenty of room to move. It's gonna be nuts.
Walter. Walter's reaction is the best on this.
I thought Kevin was crazy. He's a genius.
He's a genius.
Yeah. This is exciting.
Exactly what that is.
Oh wait, there's a driver. Who's the driver? Hi, Gray. Are you ready to race?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Molly, I just found all sorts of reasons why my Wagoneer can't be finished with DJS, but since you have two vehicles, I think that
You can take Mischief Maker.
I wouldn't say no to that.
I
You
know.
that.
No, you could take this if you want. He wants to slap 40s on this. He's like, I'll buy it from you.
I do.
And put 40s on it.
Break it, you buy it.
Although
Are you ready to come out? May I take your steering wheel, ma'am?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Stay there. I will come get you. Are you sure? Nice and careful, okay? Wow! How was that to drive?
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to be my co-pilot? Yeah. Give me knuckles. Yeah, girl power.
Is that fun?
Oh,
Holly,
sit down. Yeah.
this is not real life. This is going to be like driving a Hot Wheels Jeep. It is so misproportioned in all the same
All
ways.
the right ways.
Well, in all the ways that make you love an RC car. It's a tool.
Chris,
What's up?
how are you feeling?
Pretty good. I like the
Oh,
up
well,
travel.
Right?
We hit all of our goals actually and blew them away. This thing's crazy. It's on its all weight and it's at right height.
I think this kind of gave us just like a zest for life that we've been missing today.
Now everyone's been so run down. Now everyone's like jumping off the walls.
Should be.
Awesome.
Yeah, we'll outside. Yeah, absolutely.
Good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Finally, some horsepower. All right, let's go. Second turn. There we go. All right, let's get it even further.
Are you okay?
Yeah, there's no, we need a wall.
All right.
Permanent scene.
So the tubing just turned up because we still have work to do. We just managed to roll it out. So as said before, we're going to be rolling it out from this shop into a different shop probably Saturday. You guys are going to see that whole thing. But yeah, I think we're going to call it for this episode. Going to ask everyone for one word. One word. Megan, one word about the Jeep.
Fantastic.
One word about the Jeep.
Sexy.
One word about the Jeep. No words. Just no words. One word about the Jeep. One word.
One word? Cool.
One word about the Jeep.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Not done yet.
One word about the Jeep.
Capable.
I got a word for you finally. Messy.